Apple's Vision Pro 2025 strategy is a forward-thinking roadmap that outlines the company's goals and objectives for the next few years by setting ambitious targets and leveraging their current resources and innovation. Apple aims to solidify its position as a leader in the technology industry and continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. One of Apple's key goals with the Vision Pro 2025 strategy is to further integrate their hardware, software, and services to create a seamless user experience across all of their products. This alignment is crucial to ensure that customers have a cohesive and intuitive experience when using Apple devices. By focusing on synergy and interoperability between their products, Apple aims to strengthen the ecosystem and lock in customer loyalty for the long term. Additionally, Apple is looking to expand into new markets and sectors, such as augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles. By diversifying its product offerings and exploring emerging technologies, Apple is positioning itself for future growth and innovation. The company's commitment to research and development will play a critical role in driving these new ventures and staying ahead of the competition. Apple's Vision Pro 2025 strategy also emphasizes sustainability and environmental responsibility. The company has pledged to become carbon neutral across its entire supply chain by 2030 and is investing in renewable energy sources to reduce its carbon footprint. This focus on sustainability demonstrates Apple's commitment to becoming a more environmentally friendly and socially responsible organization. Industry experts have praised Apple's strategic vision, noting that the company's focus on innovation, customer experience, and sustainability aligns well with current market trends and consumer preferences. By staying true to their core values and continuing to prioritize customer satisfaction, Apple is well positioned to maintain its competitive edge and drive growth in the years to come. However, there are potential challenges that Apple may face as they implement their Vision Pro 2025 strategy. Competition in the technology industry is fierce, with companies like Google, Samsung, and Amazon vying for market share and consumer attention. Apple will need to stay vigilant and continue to innovate in order to stay ahead of the curve and retain their competitive advantage. Moreover, global events such as economic downturns, political instability, and supply chain disruptions could impact Apple's ability to execute their strategy effectively. The company will need to be agile and adaptable in the face of uncertainty, while also remaining focused on their long-term goals and objectives. In conclusion, Apple's Vision Pro 2025 strategy sets a clear direction for the company's